Hi guys, welcome to Daily Bakasa channel, and here today in this video we are going to unbox one cover for Redmi Note 7 Pro. So without wasting time, let's jump to the video. Here you can see this is the old cover. You can zoom it to the phone and show people like how this phone is look like and how we applying the new cover and phone is looking. So yeah, without wasting your time, let's jump to the video and we have here.
Oh wow!
So yeah, so you can see the Matrix brand, and let's unbox this. Let's directly cut this wrapper. Let's see what's inside this packaging. Okay, let's put this either aside. Let's have this. Oh yeah, next you can see the box. First time I'm seeing this, first time I ordered from Maxture.com. Let's see what's inside the box. Yeah, only one thing. This case is there, and here is the white thing. So let me see the quality. We cannot do like this because it's like cracked. Okay, so this is hard case. You can hear the sound also. Here is nothing inside the box. We are saying like consumer, thank you for your order. Now, we hope you enjoy your purchase. Let's see how we are. This case is a long last. Okay, let's apply to this phone. Let's remove this and from.
Oh no!
And see how it is looking. First, we can see this camera bump is here, so minor camera bump is there. I don't know. Yeah, minor camera bump, and it's perfectly black. I hope this is not giving any spray. It is not having any mark on it. So let's see. I'll give a future review of this cover in this channel in the future. So wait for it. And yeah, please like, share, and subscribe my channel. Hope you like this video. Thank you.